Hey, what's up, Jigzer here. Do you have multiple WhatsApp accounts that you only want to access on one device? While WhatsApp technically only allows one account per device, there is a workaround you can try. In this video, I will show you how to use dual WhatsApp on your iPhone. Let's go. Sometimes you may want to use two different WhatsApp accounts and access them on the same mobile device. WhatsApp follows a one-to-one rule, where a single phone is only allowed to be signed into one WhatsApp account, and there is no specific account switching feature unlike other platforms. Therefore, I recommend a workaround you can try. If you search online, you'll probably learn that you can install third-party dual messenger apps. However, these apps may violate WhatsApp's terms of service, which could ultimately result in your account being suspended. Therefore, the safest way that I recommend is to install both WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business apps on your mobile. If they're not already on your device, install them from the App Store or Google Play Store. When both apps are installed, you can decide which specific number to use to sign into WhatsApp Messenger and Business respectively. In my case, I will use my regular account with the Messenger application and spare my number with the Business app. Although you can't use the same phone number with each app at the same time, you can switch between them. Note that if the phone number you're using was originally registered as a Messenger account, it will automatically switch to Business when you sign into the app. So, before you start, I recommend that you back up your data to avoid losing any chats from your account. To do this, open WhatsApp where your other account is currently signed in. Then go to the Settings tab, proceed to Chats and open the Chat Backup configuration page. If you have Auto Backup enabled, you probably already have the most recent backup. Otherwise, click Backup Now to manually back up your chats. After backing up your data, open WhatsApp Business and tap Agree and Continue to accept the platform's terms and conditions. Since WhatsApp Messenger is installed and signed into an existing account, the Business app will initially recommend signing into the same number. Skip this part, click Use a different number, and enter your mobile number. If your account is already used for WhatsApp Messenger, tap Continue to confirm the switch to Business account. To verify the sign-in, enter the 6-digit verification code sent to the number you provided. Next, click the Restore button to restore your chat history from your most recent backup. Finally, set your business name and category and tap Next to proceed. Now that you're signed in, you can access two different WhatsApp accounts on the same device. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.